Football now. Leaders Montego United poured in the goals against the Spanish Town Police in a thumping 6-0 win to book the first playoff place in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at Jarrett Park. Meanwhile, Mount Pleasant were beaten by Tivoli Gardens.
After dropping points last Sunday, Montego United bounced back in the affirmative against relegation-threatened Spanish Town Police FC in a 6-0 win. The floodgates was open from the 14th minute as Lucas Lima Correa made it 1-0. The goal rush was now on, Brian Brown making it 2-0 in the 30th minute. DeAndre Brown chipped in with a quick-fire double. His first came in the 43rd minute for 3-0, and the second came 5 minutes later as MBU put the Spanish Townians under the hammer. The scoreline became mountainous when Keegan Call added the fifth in the 68th minute. And Jamari Clark made it 6-0 with 5 minutes to play as MBU moved to 62 points and a place into the playoffs.
For sure, that's the first hurdle to make it to the playoffs. And then again, we still have another objective in terms of finishing the top two. So we can get a little break, and we're still on course for that. So for that, I'm happy.
Mount Pleasant failed to put back-to-back wins on the table as they were beaten 1-0 by Tivoli Gardens at the Edward Siaga Sports Complex. Tivin Garnett got the all-important goal 7 minutes into stoppage time to give Tivoli their first win this season over their opponents.
Today's game had everything. Defensive organization, offensive transition, opportunity that created by the Tivoli team. So unfortunate, it's only a 1-goal win, but you will have to take it going forward.
Title holders Cavalier turned back Chapelton Maroons 4-1 at Turner's Oval in the race for playoff places. Cavalier benefited from an Asani Ricketts own goal in the 26th minute as they went in front. It took just 2 minutes for Chapelton to wipe out the deficit, Jason Wright making it 1-1. However, there was no stopping Cavalier as they returned to the front through Akil Henry in the 37th minute. Adrian Reed put the game further out of Chapelton's reach by making it 4-0 10 minutes into the second half. And substitute Kimarley Scott completed the rout with 4 minutes to go.
It's a good win against Chapelton. It's a team that they believe that they are our rival. But for us, it's really just another win in the right direction because we really wanted to stay in the top 6.
Dunbeholden had a 2-1 win over Arnett Gardens. The goals came late in the game with Shakeen Powell giving Dunbeholden a 75th minute lead. It got worse for Arnett Gardens when Clive Wedderburn sent Dunbeholden further ahead 7 minutes later. Fabian Reed got Arnett's consolation in time added on as they have now failed to win in 3 games.
I think we play in pockets. I think we wanted it today, and we learn, especially from the last game. We go back to the training ground, put our objectives together, and it was a good training week, and it was written all in the books.
Harbourview continued to fight as they edged fellow relegation-threatened Treasure Beach 2-1 at the compound. The Stars of the East were quick out of the blocks with Habib Mohammed giving them a 5th minute lead. But 8 minutes later, Shanoy Smith pulled Treasure Beach level. It stayed like that until the 83rd minute when the prolific Trayvon Reed got his 19th goal of the season to give Harbourview the win.
They're going to give it all, and I think they did that today again. I think we were resilient, we defended well. There are some things need to be fixed in the midfield, we need to compose, we need to keep the ball some more, but the effort was there today. I love the effort from the players, and we only can get better.
Elsewhere, Waterhouse had a 1-0 win over Racing United. Javane Bryan scored in the 90th minute. And Nicholas Nelson's own goal gave Portmore United a 1-0 win over Malines United. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.